edition of This Week in SEO by NetElixir. I'm Sean Swaim, head of SEO over here at NetElixir. This week we have 2.5 great topics for you. The first of which is an announcement by Google about kind of a standard protocol operation in the SEO space, so it's kind of nice to have this little bit of clarification. The second is a change that Google made to its desktop application in regular search. And the half piece of news is about a potential algorithm update. So the first bit of news being the clarification on an operation procedure. Kind of one of the first steps of SEO is to verify your website in Webmaster Tools, and then to also then verify your preferred URL, either www or non-www. Basically what Google wanted you to do was to verify which version of your website is the canonical version. Google's John Mueller has confirmed that if you have the 301 redirects in place to forward to one location, that procedure is not necessary. So Google will know which one you want to use based on that, so checking that little box is not necessary. However, if you, I know myself personally, I will sleep better at night if I do click on that, just because it's one of those steps to go along the way as you're setting up a new website. The second bit of news being the change in Google's desktop search function. So Google rolled out the 46th update to Google Chrome, and with that they disabled the OK Google function. So as many folks know, on your smartphones and on desktop devices, what you were able to do was just use the words OK Google, and then that would open up a search function. You can still do this on a mobile device. It essentially triggers the Google search function. Google's disabled that from the desktop version of Chrome. So what they've cited is that it was just low usage, so they disabled it. So I think it's a nice testament to how people are interacting with different devices. If it's on desktop, they still prefer typing. If it's a mobile device, they may still do a voice search. And the half piece of news for this week is just in here because we're starting to hear some rumblings. All of our metrics that we're seeing that measure this type of thing are saying that there is something in the works. However, we don't know what the details are, but it looks like we are in the middle of an algorithm update by Google. We don't know if it's Panda, Penguin, something along those lines, but we are right in line with the yearly update by Google, right as we get into Q4. So this is anticipated, but we're just trying to figure out what it is. So I anticipate a more full story next week once we get some confirmations from Google and some other sources as well. So stay tuned for that. Well, once again, this has been This Week in SEO. I'm Sean Swaim. If you're interested in any more information about what we talked about today, take a look at the link that's in the description of this video, and you can request an SEO analysis, or just get in touch with us with any questions. We're more than happy to address anything that may be bothering you in the world of SEO. So until next week, we hope you have a successful week in search marketing, and we'll see you then.